Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to design a website or online store on Shopify for beauty product like skincare or maybe hair care, etc. So we're going to start by taking a look at Shopify themes. Here I am on themes.shopify.com, and what I like to do is I like to take a look at the available theme and start from there. So I think I'm gonna go with this Sense right here because I kind of like how it looks like, so I'm going to go ahead and use this as my base theme. Alright, so now I got these Sense theme added into my Shopify online store, and I'm going to start to customize it by clicking on this Customize button. Here we're going to use Shopify as our base, but in order to design the whole things, I'm going to need you to create a Canva account because we're going to spend most of the time designing on our Canva. Here I already have my Canva opened and I am using Canva Pro account, but you can totally just use the free one. You can sign up for free on Canva and start creating your design. The only difference it will make is if you're going to use designs or templates with this kind of symbols that says Pro, it means that you will not be able to download it. You can design it, but you will not be able to download it because you will have to upgrade your account to Pro account. So just make sure you try to find a template that has no Pro symbol in it, like this one's right here. Or this one's right here. So they still offer quite a lot of interesting templates even if you don't use their Pro account. Now I'm going to start by taking a look at the overall theme. So this is how the theme looks like, and I can see that it mainly plays around in the color sort of like greeny yellow, and there's some pink gradient on it. So I'm gonna go to these theme settings right here and take a look at the logo. So I have several theme options. I have this one, then I have theme 2, theme 3, theme 4, and theme 5. And you can actually change the theme or alter the theme to however you want it to be. So I think I'm going to change this theme color. I like how the gradient looks like, but I want to make it look more personalized. So here I already created my logo in Canva and I have this hex color as my background, so I think I'm going to incorporate that colors into the existing scheme. So in order to do that, I'm going to go ahead and click on the background, copy on this hex code that I have as my logo background, and then paste it into my Shopify. And it's going to change my background into that color. And I'm also going to change the gradient color. So alright, so the theme is going to look something like this. So I incorporated these colors right here, and if I would want to change these background, I'm going to have to go to the sections right here, and then let's say I want to change the header. All I have to do is go to this theme right here and then change the color to this. Or I can also just edit it. So let's say I don't want to have the gradient, I can just remove the gradient and just use this as my background, so it looks something like this. And I kind of like how it looks like, so I think I'm going to leave it as it is for the color. And next I'm going to change on the font color. So here the text is actually black. I'm going to also use the same color with the one that I have as my logo. So I'm currently having this as my color. Again, I'm just going to copy it and then paste it into my text colors right here. Alright, so now I got my color of the text also changed, and then I can start and designing my website. So first I'm going to start by deleting the announcement bar. I personally doesn't really use announcement bar that much, so I'm just going to delete it. And then as for the header right here, I would like to change this My Store text into my logo. So I'm going to go back into the theme settings, click on the logo, and then I'm going to upload my logo. So here I'm just going to go ahead and upload the logo and all of the pictures that I'm going to need for this website. So I'm going to tell you that most of the pictures, all of the pictures that I have on this website right here is taken from Unsplash. So if you don't know yet, basically Unsplash is a website that allows you to download copyrighted free pictures. So you can download this and use this for your design. It's going to be safe and you can get all of these pictures for free. Alright, I'm going to go back into my Shopify and now I'm just going to wait until all of my images are fully uploaded. Alright, so that I got my pictures uploaded, I'm just going to use this as my logo and then look at how it looks like. So it's currently looking like that, and I think I'm just going to enlarge it a little bit so that it's going to look a little bit bigger, something like that. Alright, and then I'm going to go back to my section and start to work with what I have here. So here I have image with text. First, I'm going to change the image. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose from one of the images that I have. I think I'm going to use this one. She looks beautiful here. Alright, and then as for the text, let's say I want it to be elevate your skin game. And the heading can be changed to medium, small, or large. I think I'm going to stay with medium. And then I'm going to settings on the desktop image width to, let's say, I think medium looks nice. I don't want it to be too big. And then I want to align the text to be in the middle. Leave the color scheme as it is. And you also have the options to change the image behavior, but I'm just going to leave it as none for now. So it looks like this. And then as for the featured product, I think I'm going to edit it so that it's not going to have just 4 column. I think I'm going to add more than 4. And you can also add up to 25 product if you want. I'm just going to 12, or let's just make it 6 for now. And then you can also have the options to make all of the product to be in full width, or you can also enable view all collection, and you can also change on the image shape if you want. So you can make it as an arch, or maybe you can change it into blob, going to look something like this, or you can also change it to chevron right or chevron left. I think I'm going to change this into round. It's going to look something like that. And I kind of changed my mind, so I'm just going to make the column just with 2 column. So it's only going to show this 2 right here, just to make sure that my website doesn't look too bulky or like too crowded. And then I'm going to add a new section, and this section is going to be an image banner. So I'm going to add some more section before we go to Canva and start designing our website. Alright, so after we got the first section of the home page and then the featured product, I added an image banner and then an image with text, some image slide, and then some image banners. So I always like to make my image banner empty, and what I did to do that is by deleting the text as well as some description and the button of the image banner so that I can have this empty space. Now we're going to go into our Canva. First things first, I'm going to go into this designs right here that I'm going to use for the image with text section. So I'm going to go ahead and add my pictures. It's going to look something like this, and then I'm going to go ahead and download this picture. And then I'm going to go into Canva template and search for skincare website. Now here it's going to help you to create the website. It's going to give you some theme, and then you can work on from there. So like this one's right here, this one is for free. I can totally use this as your base, but I think I'm going to take a look some more. Yeah, I think I'm going to use this one, so I'm going to go ahead and click on customize templates. Obviously, you're going to want to have your own copywriting, you're going to want to have your own product picture, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to use what I got from Canva templates. I'm just going to play around with the font and the pictures and the color scheme. So first, I'm going to change the color scheme to match my website and my logo. So I'm going to do that real quick and come back once I'm done. Alright, so here's what I've made. I've created some banners for the website. I added pictures with text, and then there is this one who's explained a little bit about the philosophy of our skincare. There are some selections of treatments, and then some USB and some pictures for my slideshow section, and then the one for the footer. So after I'm done editing everything, I'm going to go ahead and download this and then upload it into my Shopify. Alright, so here I'm back at Shopify, and I'm going to start adding the picture that I've just edited on Canva into my Shopify. So we're going to start with this image banner right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on image banner and then uploading my images. Alright, the file is uploaded, and now I'm going to add this one right here into my first image banner. So it's going to look something like this. Next, I have this image with text option, so I'm going to go ahead and add the pictures here. So click on image with text, select image, and then I'm going to add this one right here, so it's going to look something like this. And obviously you're going to want to change on the text. All you have to do is go to this text sections right here and start inserting your own text. I'm just going to skip it for now. And for this slide sections right here, I'm going to insert the colleges pictures like this one as my slideshow. You can change the text by going to each slideshow and then change the heading, the subheading, and the button if you want. And if you don't want to use the button, all you have to do is just delete the wording on the button label, and it's going to leave you just with the heading and the subheading. And last but not least, I'm going to change on this image banner and change it into my footer, so it's going to look like this. And then I'm also going to change the banner height into a depth for first image, so it's going to be smaller. So if you notice that this one's right here doesn't have any pictures yet, it's because I haven't added my products. So I'm going to save this real quick, and I'm going to show you how to add product for your Shopify store. So here I'm just going to exit my editor, and then I'm going to go into this product options right here, and I'm going to start and adding my product. Alright, so on this add product sections, you can add the title of your product, obviously some description, add your media, as well as your pricing. So I'm just going to insert some details, and then once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and click on save, and then I'm going to continue and add up some more product. Alright, I ended up adding 2 more product, and now I'm going to take a look at our website and see how it looks like. So as you can see, the product is now appearing on the featured product section. So again, I'm going to go back and take a look at our website in live view. And this is how it looks like. And that's basically it. That is how you can design a Shopify website or online store with Canva and Shopify. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.